Hey there, it's Ben, the waterfall guy, exploration guy. Today I'm kayaking. I've kayaked forever here in Nova Scotia, at least 20 years now, and I'm here with my son, Lower Prospect. Great place to come to paddle when you're a learner like him. Lots of islands, you can really be sheltered, lots of rocks to play around too, where you can have like lunches that are quite fun. And you can really tailor the trip, make it short, make it long, depending on the stamina of who you're bringing. Anyways, as a paddling place, definitely 10 thumbs up out of 10.